Hi everybody, welcome back. We are in week 2 of Module 5 where our focus is on nonfiction and informational readings. Thank you so much for clicking on my video to help you walk through the week. First of all, I've got to say I'm very proud of all of you. You've worked extremely hard getting your 2 literature studies done almost back to back with The Hunger Games and The Boy in the Striped Pajamas. So thank you for that hard work, and you are going to be rewarded with a relatively light week this week. So let's go ahead and click on our Overview tab and see what we have in store. Our reading for the week is Nonfiction and Informational Reading. That will, of course, help you complete your reading organizer by Tuesday. Please continue to go in depth with each prompt and make sure that you're meeting the minimum word requirement. All are doing an excellent job with that. All right, the other assignment we have this week is a reading commentary, and that is it. So let's click on our reading commentary number 9, Nonfiction, and see what we've got going on. We do need to read 2 books, and our focus is going to be from one of these lists. You can do the honor award winners here, or biographies for students here. Now these are excellent books, book choices. I highly recommend choosing one off of one of these sites. But if you find something off your library website that you just have to read and you feel it falls into the category, I will accept that as well. So when you're reading, make sure you are paying attention to the age and grade level. And for each post, you will of course put the title and author, the age and grade that you feel the book is best suited for. And oftentimes in these type of stories, you do need to read the entire book in order to accurately choose the appropriate grade level. As always, completing your readings is going to be essential for answering this question. So our focus is on the type of nonfiction. Our readings talk about various different types of nonfiction. There are 5 of them. We have narrative nonfiction, autobiography or biography, humanities, history or social studies, STEM, and adaptations. So, after you have read your book, describe what type of nonfiction your book is and give us a reason why. That should be about 2 to 3 sentences. Then you need to evaluate the story. There are 3 ways to evaluate. It's on accuracy, engagement, and visual technique. So you do need to evaluate it based on each one of these categories. Please use ideas from your text. In-text citations here is a great place to show me that you've read and that you understand what it is you are evaluating. And evaluate based on the criteria. So for each one, accuracy, engagement, and visual technique, you need to give examples from your particular text, your particular book that you read, that show accuracy, engagement, and visual technique. 2 to 3 sentences should do it, but if you need more, that's fine. Finally, you need to focus on the type of student or reader who would want to read this book. Describe the type of student you would recommend this book for and why. This typically is not so much the age, but it's just what their interests are, who it might appeal to. So just kind of think, who do you think, what kind of person, what kind of student would really enjoy this book and why? As always, don't forget to include an image of each of your books, and please, please, please respond to at least 2 peers so that you get full and maximum points on your reading commentary. Okay, everybody, so we are done for Module 5 once you've completed your reading commentary and responded to your 2 classmates. Next week, we're going to be focusing on Module 6. And that is on how to navigate issues, typically hot topic issues or hard to discuss issues, if you will, using children's literature. It's a fantastic module. I am so excited that we are heading this direction, and I know that you will be enjoying it. This is also where you will be introduced to the final, so I look forward to seeing you there. If you have any questions, as always, please email me through Canvas, and I look forward to seeing you in Module 6. Bye, guys.